Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your blogging skills with WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your blogging skills with WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Posts section to create your first blog post. Click on Add New to open the post editor. Begin by entering a catchy title for your blog post. In the content area, write your main text. Utilize headings to structure your content effectively. Incorporate images to make your post visually appealing. Click on Add Media to upload images from your computer or select from the media library. Optimize your images with alt text for better SEO. Make use of the categories and tags features for better organization. Choose relevant categories to help readers find related content. Add tags for specific keywords that enhance discoverability. Preview your post by clicking on the Preview button to see how it will look. Make necessary adjustments to improve readability and appeal. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your post live. To enhance your blogging skills, consider exploring different themes. Go to Appearance and then Themes to browse available options. Choose a theme that aligns with your blogging niche and style. Activate your chosen theme and customize it to fit your aesthetic. Explore plugins that can boost your blog's functionality. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New to search for useful tools. Install essential plugins for SEO, social sharing, and analytics. Activate each plugin after installation for optimal performance. Regularly update your plugins and themes for security and improved functionality. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on your posts. Review your blog's analytics to understand your audience better. Use this data to adjust your content strategy over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.